Hello, friends. It's the Sealy G. Mudd Library at Lawrence University, and we wanted to take a quick look today at how you can stay connected with your reference librarians during this time of remote learning. And we have a couple ways for you to communicate with librarians and continue to use us to serve you in your research during this time. From the library's homepage, you can scroll down and find a chat box here from 8:30 until 4:30. Monday through Friday, librarians are waiting on the other line to answer any questions you might have in real time. This is a great way to stay connected with us and ask us a quick question that you might have about using the website, finding some resources, or any other concerns you might have. So we're ready to chat and we respond very quickly to you there. You can also find this link that says more ways to ask us. Click on that, and if we are not available in the chat, if it is outside of the hours of 8:30 to 4:30 Monday through Friday, you can use this Ask a Librarian form and we will respond to your request as soon as we are able to. And reference librarians are monitoring email during this time as well, so you can always send us an email at this address, reference@lawrence.edu. So feel free to use these forms to contact us as well. And don't forget that we are still providing research appointments. The same research appointment experiences that you know and love from the past are still happening. We will typically ask to talk with you over a Zoom chat, and you can schedule a research appointment here by using this link, which brings you to a web form. And we ask you to fill this out as best as you are able to give us as much context for your research. We will typically spend 30 minutes to an hour with you talking about your particular project, giving you resources, showing you some searches, and giving you ideas for the future, and usually some good reading as well. So these are all some ways that you can stay connected with your reference librarians and use us during this time of remote teaching. I hope this helps. Please contact us at any time if you have questions. And thank you for watching, and we will see you soon. Happy researching.